Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a neon-style gradient hero header using custom shapes in Photoshop. Now I open Photoshop and choose a wide canvas for the hero header. First I select the custom shape tool and draw a long rounded rectangle as the base. Then I apply a neon gradient overlay blending pink, purple, and electric blue for a futuristic vibe. After that I duplicate the base, slightly offset it downward, and reduce opacity for a glowing layered effect. Now I add thin accent rectangles and circles as design elements, applying complementary gradients. Next I refine alignment and corner radius to maintain smooth modern aesthetics. Then I apply layer styles like